here. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate all of you. Om Gueshwari Devi Namaha. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. It really helps me a lot. Don't forget to check out my website, paradoxastrology.com. Book your consultation today. I can help you with anything. And if you would like more exclusive occult videos that I don't post on YouTube, consider subscribing to my Patreon. It also helps to support this channel. Okay, so just a very quick video about something that I noticed that has been happening for a while, which is Rahu trining Jupiter. But this is going to come to an exact trine happening around September 5th and September 6th. But also on that date, Jupiter will be squaring Mars. So they'll all be at 24 degrees. On this day, the moon will be in Capricorn. It's all about high positions of authority, the government, people who own their own businesses. Taboos are broken with Rahu. Rahu creates something different, makes us go in a different direction with finance, because that's Jupiter. Jupiter is finance, capitalism, banks, foreign trade. Rahu is also technology like AI. Jupiter is in Punarvasu, which is wealth, and Gemini, which is trade as well. And this is all coming to a head. Remember, Rahu is also a cheater and amplifies the energy of the demon while it's in Purva Bhadrapada. Purva Bhadrapada can be a two-faced person. Now, these are the darker sides of Purva Bhadrapada. Purva Bhadrapada is also Kalima, which helps us detach from our physical body and helps to destroy the ego. This is the highest version, but the world does not operate on the highest version. So in the lower aspects, which is used by the world, this is the elite in powers. This is the Illuminati. This is people who are in high positions, but use the worship of dark entities in order to get things done. But also they like to have diabolical plans, demonic type plans in order to change society. And this is also black magic. So I believe that it's showing us that there is a plan, and this plan is for finance. Now, when we use technology and finance, that comes into crypto or digital currency. Right now, China has been expanding, they say, digital currencies to promote a wider use of them to reflect its status, they say, as the second largest economy. And then also recently, Donald Trump made a crypto-friendly policy for the administration and signed a law last month regulating stablecoins, which are a digital currency, and its value is connected to the US dollar. And they're saying it can be a substitute for transactions. They are different from cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, they say, because the only purpose is to make a payment and not made to trade in value. So this is already happening, and it seems that this is a part of an agenda, and this is happening perhaps behind the scenes and coming to a head. Sometimes it takes a false flag event for these to be put into place, but this is definitely occurring already. Rahu can also show here that there can be violence because Mars is going to be aspecting Rahu. And this could be a violence that happens to religious or spiritual leaders. Purva Bhadrapada is the death of something, a transformation, an underhanded agenda. And I believe that the trade war, was actually orchestrated in order to make a significant change in the way that countries trade with each other. Again, this can be with foreign relations, Jupiter, as they create a problem and a solution. The problem can be technology, AI. Jupiter is also science. This is changing behind the scenes. Publishing is changing, also due to AI. This is changing and corrupting cultural and moral traditions of countries using media, which is publishing Jupiter, fake courts, fake trials, ones that are already orchestrated. So the things that you see on the media corrupts the minds, the morality of people. This has been an ongoing agenda, but it's been ramping up a lot. You can also see that the corruption with judges in high statuses, especially in the US as of late, people in the government being corrupt. This has been amplifying. So the structure of righteousness, which is Jupiter, has been corrupted. Rahu and Jupiter can be like an Agori who sets on their own path that's different than religion, unorthodox path of spirituality. And that's a perfect combination. But the world is not like this. It can also show that religion is being corrupted. Also, children are being corrupted. Commerce and how it's being done. The shipping industry and the wholesale industry. But also, Rahu here can show violence towards people in high positions. A change in the way that foreign travel is done, which is on the rise, and that could be immigration as well. Jupiter will be squaring Mars in Virgo, and this can show illness, diabetes, sexual diseases with Rahu, liver, addiction with Saturn in Pisces. That could be drinking as well, drugs. Mars in Chitra is the architect who creates something new. But this is also weapons, as Mars will be trining Rahu, which can create some very violent events, aggressive acts. This can be buildings collapsing on purpose. And this is right before the eclipse in Aquarius in Purva Bhadrapada Nakshatra. And the sun will be in Purva Falguni, which is all about a luxury living, but there's a split there. So we're leading up to something very huge that's going to happen, is what I'm trying to say. So digital currency, definitely I can see something happening there. Lots of health issues are popping up already, and that's going to be shown in the eclipse, but also technology taking over a lot of these Jupiterian themes. So that's just a little bit about what I see. I'll make further videos. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you, and I'll see you in the next one.